just stay in the States, correct? Or would you go?
Issues and you can't climb mountains or do
Right.
things because you Have you been someplace warm? Your skin has got an amazing color. Is that just the color of your
That's me.
skin? Wow.
We're Sicilian,
Nice.
and actually, I kind of feel like I'm totally faded. No. I am just give me a book or a garden to work in, and I'm happy.
Oh, that's
So,
nice.
you know, I go to, like I said, I go to see my daughter every week and be with the kids and stuff. And then in the summer we go up to the cottage and stuff quite a bit. I make cards. I'm an artist. I crochet. I knit. I paint. I'm never bored ever.
Yes,
you
no.
know. Actually, I always tell everybody I have enough crafts to last 10 years after I'm dead.
We can open a Hobby Lobby.
Oh yeah. You know, that's something to-
Thinking about how we can plan like a training tour. Clients are looking for you. Join me. Do you have what it takes to help change people's lives? Join my network. Yeah. I'll teach you everything you need to know. They did. Oh no.
So, but Italian's getting really nervous about everything. I found out why my mom had so many clerks.
Did their numbers start going back up or something?
Yeah.
Oh no.
But you know what though? It's
Yeah, I think there's going to be like another teacher shortage soon.
You mean teacher shortage school wise?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
If they don't get these kids back in school.
And you know, education is so much different than it was when I first started. You know, all this foolish testing and, you know. But I do miss the children. Little girl passed away in a car accident 17 years ago. Almost died. I loved her. And I'm going to say her name, but you can edit it out or whatever. Flip her paper over and right in the back.
Because it was so big.
It was so long. You know what first grade paper is that real. So I told her, I said, honey, you don't have to write your own name. She goes, but I want to. And I go, what? She goes, I changed the name of my Cabbage Patch dog. said, you did? What did you change it to? And she goes,
oh, that's so sweet.
my little baby girl.
Sounds like you had a very big impact on a lot of people.
I just love my babies. One time, one of my little buds, I had his sister and two brothers, and he was the youngest, and his grandma had died, and so
That's so sweet.
and then I used to, a lot of first grade teachers, as well as other teachers at different grades, did it. Every kid gets a number, so you can put everything in numerical order. It's faster than alphabetical order. But if you say, okay, who's number 6, and the kids all know the numbers, you know. So at the end of the year, every day that was nice, I start with number 1, and they could come over to my house and go swimming and have lunch, bring their moms or sisters or whatever, and we'd have like a fun time. So my one little buddy, his last name started with a Z, and his mom called me up and she goes, he said he doesn't think he can wait for 34 more kids to come by before he gets to come, because he was number 35.
Aww.
And I go, well, you know, he can come today, I don't care.
That's
But he was, oh. And some of them are, you know, my one student graduated from law school a few years ago, and got twin daughters.
Did he become a doctor?
But you could tell his parents own a restaurant, because, you know, he was like telling everybody what to do.
That's yeah, it's fun with different colors.
Yeah, you know, and if it grows out a little bit and you don't get a chance to get in,
Yeah.
it doesn't look clunky.
That's where you're going back.
Keep sliding. It just,
I know.
sorry.
It's okay.
I need like a harness.